Hello everyone. In this section we will discuss about greedy method algorithms. By this algorithm you can easily see that here our starting position is 7. Why it is a greedy position? Because it is following a greedy algorithm. Then the 7 will move to the 12 instead of 3. And finally it gets the 7, 12 and 6, but if it moves to the 3 position, then after that it could reach to the 90. For its greediness it lost the value. So that's how the greedy method algorithm works. The green one could be the actual largest path, but by using the greedy algorithm sometimes we can miss the actual correct path. There are some descriptions of greedy algorithm. By counting coins problem. Here are some description of the counting coin problem. Here are some Egyptian fraction problems by the greedy method. Fit algorithms in memory. We have first fit, best fit, and the worst fit. In first fit section, the process where the element comes will stand in the first position. In this process we have 212, 417, 112 and 426. Those all are in a serial, but in 4 number section there is no block allocated or available for this section. In this best fit section we can move the places of each one. In this section you can see that here we have put the process 212 in where the size of block is 4. Then we put 417 in block size 2, 1 in 3 and 426 in 5. That's how we can allocate all of them, which is known as the best fit in memory. But in first fit we cannot sometimes have places to allocate the last one, and in the worst section we will allocate the small amount of data in the largest block. That is why we will lost our all blocks very immediately, and finally we will not an allocation space for allocating them. That's for now. Thank you.